Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. Meat lovers are in for a delicious treat as Landers Superstore, the fastest growing membership retail chain in the country, offer not just unbeatable deals on a wide variety of local and international meat brands, but also exciting events including sampling treats. The heart of the meat section of Landers Superstore's biggest Meat Fest sale in all Landers stores and online at landers.ph. This exclusive sale allows members to save more while indulging in the finest meats from Landers' premium selection. With discounts of up to 50% OFF and buy one get one offers on a variety of local and international meats, it's the perfect opportunity to stock up for every occasion from everyday meals to holiday feasts. Landers also host meat sampling treats in various Landers stores to give members a taste of what's on offer. Members will have the opportunity to sample select cuts of chicken, steaks, sausages, and pork, giving them the chance to explore new flavors and cooking ideas. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other supermarket and groceries series. Be a Landers member now to take part in the Meat Fest and enjoy all the perks that Landers Superstore has to offer. Non-members can sign up for the Landers Cashback Everywhere card, a credit card, and membership card in one. Powered by Maya, members who apply can avail of the early sign-up fee of just 500 pesos and start earning 5% cash back on Landers purchases, plus additional rewards for dining and everyday purchases. Have you had the chance to visit Landers Superstore? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.